I'd like to present to you the world's first 3D printed professional PCB with embedded components, printed on the Dragonfly 2020 Pro printer. What we did is we took a 3D file, created and printed with our dielectric, a material with a cavity, with a few cavities, and in these cavities we placed both resistors and LEDs. Then we continued the print after they were placed, and we printed conductors, and then we covered this all with our dielectric material, which served both as solder mask and even kind of a cover or conformal coating for these embedded components. And now we can see when we plug it in that the LEDs are working. Thank you very much.